So what do you get when car designers go wild? Well, this is it. This is the Hyundai Insteroid, and we're here in South Korea to check it out. Car designers are often constrained either by engineers or worse, by financiers. But what happens when those limitations are removed? You get one-off concept cars like the Hyundai Insteroid. Based on the Inster EV micro SUV, Hyundai Motors' European design team just had one question in mind. What if? Merging the wild, no-holds-barred virtual world of video games and the real-world sensibilities of car manufacturing, the Insteroid is all about challenging conventions, creating emotions, and redefining what an EV could be. The Insteroid features an extended, widened body with exaggerated mismatched 21-inch wheels, prominent wing spoiler diffuser, and wheel arch air vents. Finished in a soft white shade, it's punctuated by bold orange highlights. It's equal parts retro, equal parts futuristic, something Hyundai's been able to pull off with their recent designs. If it looks like a purpose-built racing machine, that's on point. But it's not limited by something like Hyundai's engineering-centric development. The striking exterior, almost bordering on the comically exaggerated, gives way to a simplified, stripped-down interior, with the driver being the central focus. It has racing bucket seats, a roll cage, and a specialized instrument cluster that interplays pixel elements, cutting-edge graphics, and a unique mascot called Boost that appears as a co-pilot or companion. More than just a visual assault, the Insteroid is all about delivering an immersive experience with playful details, including the beat house, sound system, and a message grid that's able to display personalized interactions. The seats, finished in a 3D knit, is sustainable, made from recycled yarns using a single-piece made-to-measure process. Hyundai even developed a new sound signature for the Insteroid. The Insteroid represents Hyundai's vision of automotive innovation and imagination. It's also meant to stir emotions and enthusiasm, especially among young drivers who see it as a modern take on what their dream car could be. There are no plans to bring the Insteroid to production, but instead the production Inster has been confirmed to roll into more markets globally, including markets in the Asia-Pacific within the year. Meanwhile, the wild Insteroid will head over to the virtual world via a video game developed by Hyundai Motor sometime this April. Additionally, Hyundai Motor revealed the Insteroid Kart, which will be released later in Kart Rider Rush Plus. So there are no plans to actually produce the Insteroid. This will remain a one-off concept car for now. There's not going to be any end model or any prototype that will go blast the Nürburgring, but that doesn't matter because at the end of the day, it's all about Hyundai having fun.